everyone, good day. So this is Yahoo Saif Wudil TV, Yahoo Saif WDL TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. So this is today's class is square and cube root. How to get square and cube root of a number. First of all, let's take in general. If you have root x, be careful, root x, so there is no number here, it means we have x raised to the power of 1 over 2. So what of if there is number here, let's say 3, then we have x. This is called cube root, so it is equals to, it is something as x raised to the power of 1 over 3. Therefore, again we may have 4 here, then x, which is equals to x raised to the power of 1 over 4. Therefore, it depends what you have here. But if there is no number here, it means it is only square root. But if there is number, you will call number as what? Root. Maybe here is 3, so we have cube root. Here is 4, so we have fourth root. Our target is here to get how to get the square root and the cube root of a number. Now, this is in general. So let's take maybe a number in particular. Let's take, for instance, 4. Maybe let's say x is equals to 4. Now we are to find root 4. Remember, 4 is the something as 2 squared. Therefore, I can remove 4 and put 2 squared. So I have root 2 squared is equals to 2 squared in bracket, then power 1 over 2, because root x is something as 1 over 2. This is equals to 2 squared power over raised to the power of what? 2 power over 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. Then we have 2 under this 2 go with 2. Therefore, we have 2 here. Therefore, root 4 is equals to 2. Now, what of cube root? Let's take for cube root. For instance, we have 27 and we have 3 here. So what is 27? 27 means to, for instance, let's say we have 3 times 3 times 3, which is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3. Therefore, we have 3 here, we have 3 here. So it means 27 is something as 3 raised to the power of 3. I can now remove 27 and put my 3 raised to the power of 3. Now I have 3 into root of 3 raised to the power of 3, which is something as 3 power 3 in bracket, then I have 1 over 3. So here is something as 3 raised to the power of 3 over 3. 3 go with 3, which is equals to 3. Therefore, the cube root of 27 is equals to 3. Don't forget to subscribe and wait for the Hausa version of this class. Thank you very much.